Hey everybody, so today we are going to be talking about the 511 Tactical TMT L2 Professional Series. This little flashlight is something that I absolutely love. I carry it with me pretty much everywhere. I keep it in my car. It's very small. You can see the size of it right there. It has this fantastic, very sturdy clip here. I mean, it's really strong. This is not going to bend or break or actually fall out. When I'm out hunting, I put it on my vest. Fishing, I put it on my vest and go right into your pocket and slip right in. Or if you're just putting it in your glove compartment, then it will be in your glove compartment. This comes in 320 looms. It lasts for 2.5 hours on a full charge, and it spreads that beam up to about 138 meters. Absolutely love it. What I actually like as well is that right here on the back you can lock it so that you can't depress it by accident. So if you turn the switch to lock, then that light's not going to come on at all, and you just turn it on by depressing it in the back. If you flip it back to that full open current, then it comes on, it comes off like that, and then if you want to depress it in the back at will, then you can use it for that. That's especially good for if you're walking, it's kind of dusk. Another good application for it is if you're doing anything tactical and you got your gun and you're here, and then you have it on, and instead of wasting that time to reach up and turn it off, you can just check, nothing going on. Check, nothing going on, and especially it doesn't make that clicking noise. So those are some of the other things that I like about it as well. It has that steady on, that high, that low strobe. You can put it on high, you can put it on low. At 320 looms at high, 15 looms low, so that's very low. Strobe is 320 looms as well. But if you're just needing to see something really quick, really close, that low works perfect. You have it on high constantly, you're looking at 2 hours and 30 minutes of battery time, 54 hours and 30 minutes if you have it on low, and 7 hours if you have it on strobe. One of the things that I love about it also with low was talking about if you have something that's close by, you're only looking at like 29 meters, but we're talking about reading, we're talking about, down at your feet. But for high-end strobe, you got 138 meters. That's impact resistant up to 2 meters. So, just dropping it is still gonna work. Unless you're more than 2 meters tall, then I guess it won't work anymore. And it's water resistant. I wouldn't take it diving, but I have had it out in all kinds of weather, and it works perfect. Oops, see, speaking of drop-in, and it still works. So there you go. Water resistant to IPX4 standards. What else? Oh, the wrist comes with it. The wrist little sling comes with it, which is actually detachable. You can take it off here and then just have this thin piece, and then I like to throw 550 cord on it, use it that way as well. Made out of aluminum. It hardly weighs anything at all whatsoever. It is made in the USA. It's a high performance tactical flashlight. It's been tested to ANSI FL1 standards. That water resistant construction, I mean, you can really feel it when you pop it open. You can feel it. It almost feels like it's just gonna, that's what it feels like, but it doesn't. This actually uses CR17345's batteries. It lasts a very long time with these, and I absolutely love the way that these perform. Let me make sure I put them back in right, because I wasn't paying attention. So you just pop it right back in there like that. Feel that actually seal up, and you're running back to business again. So there you go. You have that right there. It's all good to go. Impact water resistant. It's got an intelligent switch, high-low strobe modes. I don't know why they call it an intelligent switch, because you do it yourself. It doesn't know which one to use or which one not to use, so I don't understand why they call it an intelligent switch, but that's what they call it. So there you go with that. It's engineered to provide a quick and smooth and powerful lighting solution, whether you're doing patrol work, tactical environments, or you're just sitting in your car and you need to see something, or you need to change your tire or something like that. This has been redesigned because they did have an L1. I like that they put on those extra lighting modes, and it has a momentary toggle. You can adjust your visibility on the fly with that. with that selective on and off. All you do is just hit it and it's not making any noise at all whatsoever. Runtime on that single charge is 2.5 hours on high mode, 7 hours on strobe, 55 hours in in low mode. That stamped metal pocket clip with the breakaway lanyard and anti-roll ring for stable and secure carry right here. So that means you can pop it in and it's not going to go anywhere because of that rubberized, notched out piece right there. It's not going to go anywhere. Even putting it down on the ground, you see how it just rolls and pretty much stays wherever it ends up. So yeah, there you go. This is the 511 TMT L2 tactical version. Comes in black. Yeah, you guys have a great one.